Something that my grandmother told me years ago, and that was, make the world a better place than where you found it so that your life would not be lived in vain. It's all about service, people, being of service to people.
The Community and Diversity Engagement Team is really about all tying back to our purpose statement of improving the health and well-being of our customers and communities. And we know that it can happen in a variety of ways.
We strive to make that through partnerships. We strive to make that through relationships. We try to make that through understanding.
A lot of companies talk about community works and community interaction, but we do that.
Really, we're the bridge between the company and the community. And community is nonprofits, it's chambers, it's any community-based organizations.
One of the primary ways that we partner with our community-based organizations is through strategic funding. So providing them the necessary funds to allow them to carry out their missions and do the work that they do.
Through our partnership with Durham Tech Community College, we're supporting professional development and sharing opportunities with students that may not have had them before.
Health equity is a big focus of ours moving forward, and part of that effort is a maternal and infant health goal. So we have a goal to reduce maternal and infant health disparities by 50% in 5 years. It really is about making sure that we understand from their perspective, from the people who are living in it, what they need, how we can support them and provide them with the resources that we have.
It takes listening, it takes a relationship building, and we have to do that with a very intentional approach.
The Extra Miles Tour is our effort to take our leadership to all 100 counties across North Carolina. We're here to learn about North Carolina's past, present, and future, and to meet the leaders in healthcare, education, and the nonprofit world, those that are going the extra mile to make their communities better.
That's one of the most important things about my job. The work that I do in trying to engage multicultural communities, that's the thing. How are we showing up? It's not about, the talk. No, how are we actually doing this work?
Throughout the pandemic and even present day and moving forward, I think this idea of virtual volunteerism, that's just one of the ways where we've had to pivot.
From building our bikes at home and bringing them back to campus, we were able to produce successful outcomes and help our community.
And then to be able to turn around and do something like Outteach, it made me feel again proud to be part of this company.
Another way that we go about partnering is through a skills-based approach, through pro bono volunteerism.
Organizations across our state have very ambitious missions and they have gaps in their capabilities. So Blue Cross volunteers partner with them to bridge those gaps and to meet their capacity and their needs.
And kind of serving as that bridge or the matchmaker to connect a particular employee's expertise to a passion that they may have.
Through one of our DEI initiatives, I was able to participate in a platform to give tips and tools to HBCU students on how to be successful, not only while in college, but when they leave the college campus and enter corporate America.
At Blue Cross North Carolina, we view food security as probably the most important non-medical driver of health. Hence our investment with No Kid Hungry, where it's most of the meals are delivered in a school setting or to a school audience. But then you look at the investment with the Spinning Plate and the Interfaith Food Shuttle, where they're going to the street corner in a neighborhood because that neighborhood needs it, and that's what matters.
A lot of our employees already have the heart for the work, and then we're just able to support what they're doing.
To live with dignity. I think we should all have that opportunity. And I think that that's what the world really is about. We have to help each other. So if you're lacking, and I can help, I should help. And that's what we do here.